Okay, good morning class. My name is Augustine Masabe. In general, I'm a trainer of agriculture economics here in Sangalo National Polytechnic. And today I'm going to teach about agriculture economics, which is generally the marketing and the part of how we can market our products and how people transfer their products from the consumer or from the producer to the consumer. And when it comes to agriculture economics, we are going to define some terms. What is the marketing, and at the same time we are going to give out some marketing functions. For example, here we are going to define what is agricultural marketing, and is generally is a process which starts with a decision to produce a sellable farm commodity, and it involves all the aspects of market structure or system, both functional and institutional, based on a technical and economic consideration, and includes pre and post-harvest operation. And these examples of agricultural marketing: we have assembling, we can do grading, we can do storage, transportation, and distribution. And the second definition that we are going to tackle is what is marketing. Marketing implies all those activities or processes involved in the transformation and transfer of agricultural products into consumer goods. And another thing that we're going to look about is the marketing functions. What are these marketing functions that occurs? Number one is the buying. Buying means the acquisition of goods from the farmer on payment, whereby this person can go to a farmer and buy these products on a certain amount of money. And then the second one is the assembling. Assembling refers to collection of produce in small lots from farmer and other traders, and concentrating them at a convenient point or store. Then another thing is the grading, is the sorting out of the commodities into different groups with substantially the same characteristics on the basis of size, variety. So this person can grade these commodities in terms of size, variety, taste, quality, or colors, etc. Such separation may or may not conform to established standards. Then another thing about the function of marketing is the standardization. This includes fixes the grades and does not allow them vary from season to season and year to year. It is the establishment and application of measurements, either of quality or quantity. So standardization, this generally you standardize these products in terms of quality or quantity. Then the next marketing function is the storage. Storage is the holding of produce from time of production until needed by the consumer. Storing creates the time utility. Storage helps to spread out market supply. Some products are stored for short period, whereas fresh fruits, vegetables require cold storage. Agriculture being a seasonal activity and perishability, nature of product storage is very essential function of agricultural marketing. So generally storage is the key when it comes to marketing functions, because these products has to be stored, whether they're perishable or seasonal. When these products are perishable, it's usually stored in cold storage, like vegetables, fresh fruits, and etc. Then another function is the processing. Processing is the conversion of farm produce into more consumable forms, e.g. conversion of wheat in flour. Like for example, you process this from the producing side to the consuming side. Preparation of butter, example of processing is the preparation of butter, cheese from milk, or hulling of paddy into rice, etc. Processing imparts form utility. Advantages of processing, we can include the surplus produce may be conserved or reduce the work in home. Packaging is the packaging or covering the products in such sizes and pattern as to be most marketable. The objectives of packaging are as follows: 1 is to facilitate the handling of product, 2 is to reduce the storage and marketing costs, and 3 is to prevent loss by deterioration and rogue, and finally to make products more attractive. For example, here packaging can facilitate the handling of products. When you package your products well, This can help you to package or to handle your products well. And then this one, it helps to reduce the storage and marketing cost. The storage and marketing cost, this whereby it can reduce the size of storage. When you package your products well, the size of storage can be reduced. And then another function of marketing is the financing. Financing is the capital is required to finance all the activities from the original buying of the raw material to the final sale of the finished goods. There is time factor since the process of agricultural production takes time. Hence, proper financing should be put in place. Most marketing agencies borrow capital from the public and commercial institution. Therefore, this marketing function will have to be financed, and this capital is required to finance all the activities from the original buying of the raw material to the final sale of the produce to the consumers or into finished goods. And we are going to look about also to start about the some marketing functions or market structures. Market structures. What are these market structures? Market structures refers to different market characteristics that determine the relationship or the relation between sellers and other sellers, of sellers to buyers and more. And we have some characteristics of market structures. One is the commodity or item that's sold and the extent of the product differentiation. And two, the ease of difficulty of entering and existing in the market. 3, the distribution of market shares of the largest firms. 4, the number of companies in the market. The number of companies is the key when it comes to which type of companies are entering into this market structure. And then another thing is the number, or the 5th one is the number of buyers and how they work with or against the sellers to dictate the price and quantity. This one can be done through whether these buyers or the quantity of the sellers, or the quantity that the buyers are selling, the quantity that the sellers are inquiring from the sellers is more quantity. It's generally required. And then finally, the relationship between sellers. The relationship between sellers and buyers is the key when it comes to market structure. Is one of the key characteristics of market structure. And that one comes to end of my class.